right, good morning, folks. It's not as early as you would think. It is fall, so it's getting light later in the day. It's like 6:30, I think, something like that. It's chilly. So today is Truckin The Trace. So I am well, me and Jackson, since he's got a football game on fall break, we are heading out this morning. We're gonna head out and we're gonna go join up with everybody for breakfast, and then we're gonna cruise down the trace for just a little bit. Unfortunately, we can't do the whole cruise. That's what I really wish we could do, but can't do the whole cruise this morning. So we'll probably cruise for like an hour-ish, something like that, and then we'll come on back to the house. And we're gonna get up early in the morning and head down to Tupelo, so that way we can meet up with everybody in the morning. Get us some Connie's Kitchen. If you're in Tupelo, Connie's Kitchen, I think is the name of it. It's Connie's, but they have some of the best chicken and biscuits and blueberry donuts I've ever had in my entire life. So that's always a place I've got to go hit whenever we get down there in Tupelo. So we're gonna go hit Connie's first thing in the morning tomorrow, and then go over to the show. So anyways, we got to get on the road because we got like an hour, I think, till we get to the Loveless. Plus there might be some rush hour stuff. I don't know, I don't drive that area very often. So anyways, I guess we'll catch up with y'all when we get to the Loveless. All right, out here at the Loveless Cafe, I'm looking for a sign. I guess the sign's over there. Anyways, I'm out here in the parking lot, where we got folks finishing up eating and getting ready to jump on the trace, which is literally right over there, stone's throw. So figure since we're here in the parking lot, take a quick little peek some of the stuff that's out. A lot of trucks out here, a lot of trucks, and they go way on back over there. So a bunch of folks out. So we're gonna get going here in just a minute, and I'm gonna probably head out ahead of the group so I can set up and try and capture the rolling convoy here. So we'll catch up with you here in a bit. All right, folks, so that's the little caravan running down the Natchez Trace. This is where me and Jackson are peeling off because I got him back to the school for football. So I guess we'll sign off for now, and we'll be back at some point in the morning on our way down to Tupelo. Well, good midday, folks. So yeah, ended up sleeping a little bit later than I anticipated, so we didn't get out here as early as we wanted to, but that's okay. We're still able to get up. I got my buddy Crook to hook us up and pick up some chicken and biscuits and some donuts from Connie's Chicken. Oh, it's amazing. Anyways, had that. Now we're out here at the show, so figure we'll walk around, show you what we see. So that's a good bit of the trucks here. If I had to guess, I'd say there's probably 400-ish, maybe a few more than that here. A lot of trucks, a lot of really good trucks. Some that are a little rough, but that's okay, because I like rough trucks too. A lot of trucks that I'm like, I need one of those, I need one of those. So anyways, like I said, if you're in the Tupelo area, you know, a couple 3-hour drive away, keep an eye out for when this event happens. I think it's the second week of October is when we do it. It's a free event. If you got a GM truck, go on out, just pull on the lot, everything will be cool. It's a good time, a lot of good people, and that's usually what it's mostly about. You know, you go around, you watch, you look at some of the stuff, but then you just get to hang out and chit chat and, you know, see a bunch of friends, and some friends that live out of state that you don't get to see except for here and stuff like that. So anyways, thank y'all guys for watching. If you want to see more of the working on vehicle type content, go check out my other channel, Good Enough Customs. This is the Good Enough Stuff channel. Couldn't think of a better name. So anyways, if you want to see me working on stuff, you know, vehicle related, go check me out over on Good Enough Customs. Otherwise, next event I go to, or next little project I got that I'm doing that's not vehicle related, I'll see you then. Also like and subscribe. So y'all guys have a good one. Just remember, it ain't got to be perfect, just good enough. Take it easy.